Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and for this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to change a name on FamilySearch. First you'll need to log in on FamilySearch.org, and once you do that you'll see your name up in the right hand corner. Then you'll need to go to your ancestors' profile of who you want to change their name. So for this example I will be changing Joanna. So you have to be really careful when you're changing somebody's name because somebody has put in information and spellings as they have seen it on records. So somebody else has already put in Joanna with an H. However, if I find records that indicate that it's not spelled with an H, it would be Joanna, then I can edit it. And so never do this without checking sources, checking birth records, marriage records, and death records. So I'm only doing this tutorial after I've assumed that I've researched this name. However, under the Vitals tab, you will see the displayed name, and you'll click Edit. So here I can delete the H, and always explain yourself. And this also indicates that 5 people are watching this person and will be notified of my change. So that is really important to be aware of because you don't want to get an angry message from one of them if you didn't explain yourself. So always add a justification and then you'll click Save. And once you do that, you can see the automatic change in the name here and here. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you guys. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye!